Next, we're going to make what we call Batwings. So it's basically a roasted chicken. We are going to make a Filipino marinade. It's just basically soy sauce. I usually use two kinds of soy sauce. You can use the dark, and I have this special premium soy. Then I add any citrus you have, but I use calamansi. Pepper, of course, sugar, your aromatics. For the marinade, we use red onions and garlic, some salt, and this is one thing. It's the blue pea extract again, because this is one thing that makes the color of this chicken skin black. So if you can see here, this is one thing I learned from art school. You can combine different colors. It can result to a different new different color. So this is like the blue one, the ultramarine, and what we call the brown or the burnt umber. Then you combine them together, it forms a very, very nice black color. That's what we're going to use on the chicken. If you don't have access to blue pea, you can actually use the food coloring from the grocery store, which is, I think, much easier. But you know me, I like to experiment, so here we are. So basically, I'm not going to do it here, but just mix everything. The measurements are in the recipe, so you can do it there. You can take a look at the recipe that's accompanying this segment. Then we marinate the chicken wings around 3 hours or overnight. Overnight is much better because it gives the color to seep in the chicken skin. So if you can take a look at this is the one that we marinated overnight. So it's a little grayish blue, but don't worry about that, because as you bake it, it becomes darker and darker. So until it achieves a semi-black color. Alright, after you've taken discarded the original marinade, try to make another one using these same ingredients. So what you do is arrange this in a pan. So just arrange it in a pan like that. Then cook it at around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or that would be around 200 degrees in centigrade. Anyway, you can check the conversion online. Then this should be baking for about 30-35 minutes. Try to take it out of the oven in about 15-minute interval, checking the doneness, and also basting this marinade here so that it will evenly color the skin and would make it blacker as it cooks. Alright. So here is our final product. This is what we call the chicken bat wings. There you go.